Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brandi if you did not know, and today I'm going to be showing you my new hair wash routine. I'm also going to be showing you how I make my apple cider vinegar hair rinse, as well as my DIY deep conditioner that I'm going to be applying in my hair today to get it to look like this. If you did not know, I recently did a chop. I'm not going to say a big chop, but it's a big chop for me. That video is back in March, so I'm trying to get my hair back long. I thought I wanted short hair, but I really don't. My hair is grown already, like it's already getting longer, but I low-key really regret cutting my hair. I really just thought it was just uneven. I thought it was this and that, and it really wasn't. So now I learned my lesson. Don't cut your hair again, just do trims. So I'm just trying to get my hair back on track to being real healthy and curly, and I think I've done that, and now it's just time to get it to grow now that it's all healthy. So if you'd like to see my new treatment, what I'm doing, my DIYs, just keep watching. So I'm starting off with this mason jar. I've already boiled some rosemary, and I'm just pouring the water into the mason jar and filling it halfway, as well as putting the rosemary in there to make it more potent. Next, it's time to go in with the apple cider vinegar. You want to shake it up to make sure the mother is evenly distributed into your rinse. And you're just going to fill the mason jar. Now I'm putting some rosemary essential oil, tea tree oil, and peppermint oil, as well as jojoba oil. These all are good for stimulating hair growth. Now you just want to shake that up and then transfer it into your spray bottle. You also can do it with lukewarm water, fresh rosemary, apple cider vinegar, and the same oils that I used earlier, and just refrigerate it for 1 week, and then it is ready to use. And whatever I don't use, I am going to put it in the refrigerator to use for my next hair rinse. Now we're gonna get into the deep conditioner. I have the coconut butter, and I'm just gonna use a spoonful. And I also have some shea butter. We love shea butter over here. It's a good moisturizer, and it helps with weak hair follicles. And now I'm gonna use avocado oil, since I don't have any avocado, and some grapeseed, and again using the jojoba oil. Now I am going to put a bunch of Ayurvedic herbs in here, but I'm not really having an exact measurement. I'm just putting, whatever I feel works for me, and you can do the same. It's no exact measurement, it's just the ingredients. And now I'm just going to stir everything up and get it all melted, and I might add a little bit more to get it to the consistency that I like. Okay, so I just rinsed my hair because I just had gel in my hair, but I did not wash it. I just simply rinsed it with water, got as much gel as I could, and this is what my hair looks like now. My curls are popping, baby. My curls are popping. First of all, look at this. You see them little curls popping back there? I may have cut my hair short and did it real uneven and had to trim my hair again, but because I had to trim my hair again for the simple fact that I cut my hair with some dull scissors and had split ends like crazy, and I still kind of do, but they're going away. Like I'm trimming and getting them out. I'll give you guys an update on my hair later. I have my hair mask here. I did end up adding more honey and oils to it. You can really just add with how much of whatever you want. The main thing is to use the products that I use, but make it your own. Make it what works for you. So I also have my rice water here, and I actually started making it differently. I found out the Yao women actually did not make it the way that I did. If you want a video on how to actually make it, I'll create it, but there's plenty of videos out there. So let's go ahead and get started. I part my hair in 4. It's easier to, go section in section and properly do my hair, but this is what it looks like right now. My hair, my curls are everything. My curls are everything. Also add water in here to make this, you know, last a little bit longer. So what I'm gonna do is spray first. Do my rice water in my hair first. You want to make sure it's all saturated. Make sure you got them ends, okay? Okay, and next we're gonna go in with the hair mask from ends to root. And if you haven't blended this properly, like this is not, it's gonna look like mine because I really didn't blend mine properly. And this is what I'm gonna start doing. I'm gonna part my hair. Do this. Just to make sure it's all saturated with that conditioner. Okay, so I have twisted, applied rice water, and then applied the deep conditioner that I showed you how to make just now. And this is what I'm left with. And mama don't waste nothing, okay? We don't waste anything. Scrape them sides, and we're gonna make sure it get on them edges. Cause the edges is almost most important. You know what I mean? You can't have pretty long hair and your edges just be on question marks. But yeah, I'm gonna just go in and make sure I get like real into the root and get into these parts real good. So now what I'm gonna do is get a nice little bag. Or if y'all have nicer, cuter things to put on your hair, get that too. But I just use these because like I don't want to get my shower caps messy with all the herbs that's in here. And plus I don't really like, why get a shower cap when you got this? It's free. So I double wrap. Now, if you haven't tried this before, what this does is basically just cause some steam and heat to go up in there, up in your head, and allows the oils to warm up and really penetrate your hair shaft and your scalp. So we're gonna let this sit in our hair for 30 minutes. We're gonna be like this for 30 minutes and then we're gonna move on to the next step. You can also just massage that scalp while this is going on and watch a show. Go on Netflix, watch Fatal Attraction or something. So now it's been 30 minutes and we are in my bathroom. Take this off. This is what my hair looking like. This is the detail. So I'm gonna rinse this out and I'm gonna meet you guys in the shower. Alright, so now we're gonna use our apple cider vinegar rinse that we made earlier. And we're just gonna spray that throughout our hair. Now if you have long hair, you can just use the mason jar and just pour it over your head or dip your hair into a bowl or however you like. But since I have short hair, I'm just spraying it in my hair so it can evenly go out my hair. And now you see I really love hot showers, so I am rinsing it out. But also hot water helps open the hair follicles since I have low porosity hair, so it can take in all the conditioner moisture that I'm about to put in here. And I'm using the Tropical Owl Black Castor Oil
conditioner. I got this from Garner's, which is like a natural care store, self-care store. And I'm just gonna detangle while I apply this throughout my whole head. Okay, so now I am putting this hair moisturizer that I made with shea butter and a couple of other ingredients that are all natural, and I will be putting that in the description box below. And I'm just gonna detangle my hair and braid it with this hair butter. Now what I did notice is, what you're gonna see later, is that my hair flaked up for the simple fact that I did not let this hair butter dry and basically get whipped so it wouldn't flake up. So at the end of this video, you're definitely gonna see a lot of flakes in my hair. But overall, I do love this shea butter mixture that I made. Now I have all my hair in a nice braid out. I am going to seal this with some wild growth oil, and I'm just going to apply that all throughout my scalp as evenly as I possibly can. Now you got it all in your hair, you need to massage it into your scalp. Put your bonnet on, and it's time to go to bed. It is the next morning, and it's time to take these out and see what this braid out is giving us. Is it giving us life or what? So I'm just going to take one out on camera, and you can already see the definition. And also, you do not want to take out your braid out, your twist out, or anything without some type of oil on your hair to prevent frizziness.
Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like after I have taken all the braids loose, and all I did was to, blend them all together. It's just rub my scalp. My scalp feels so clean. Oh my god. I recently just tried this Amazonian clay. Hopefully I have this video up before then, because I definitely did it before then. And oh my god, like when I washed my hair yesterday, it was like, and maybe it has something to do with the apple cider vinegar that I used as well, but I just put my hair in two ponytails up here, and they're not even. Like, I just wanted to create some shape. Now with that shea butter mixture that I created as a moisturizer, it is flaking. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that yet. Maybe it's just the way I'm gonna make it next time. I need to whip it and really make everything soak into each other instead of just mixing it with a spoon and melting it. So I don't know, I have to figure that out because I use a bunch of oils and coconut oil and shea butter. So what you gotta do, you gotta figure it out. But yeah, that's how my hair works. My hair is finally getting back to its juice.